Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Dollar Tree has some really great things for summer right now in their store, so I'm taking you with me and I'm going to show you what all they have and how you can use it in your home. So let's go. We're going to start off in the front of the store where they have a huge selection of nautical themed items. They have dishes, they have kitchen stuff, they have decor, bathroom, things you could use in your bathroom, things you could use just decorating anywhere in your house. They have such a good quality of stuff, so I think that you can get a really high-end look for $1.25. So you definitely want to check out their nautical section. It's time for graduation, and praise the Lord, my son is graduating from LSU this week, so I had to check out their graduation section. So they have a lot to choose from there, and we have Memorial Day coming up. We also have 4th of July coming up, so they have a good selection of things that you can choose from for decorating for those two holidays as well. They do have a lot of things that would be great for outdoors. Those signs would be great for your front porch. These things are so cute for your garden. I've never seen them have so much of a decor selection for gardening, but I think these things are really cute. Then they have these solar powered bulbs that would be perfect for a patio, and they have them in different colors, so I love the options that they give you here for those. These utensil sets would be perfect for those picnics or those outdoor gatherings. It comes in a set of 3, and it already comes set with the 3 utensils and the napkin. Then if you've never checked out their card section and you get cards from somewhere else, you're spending way too much money. They have a beautiful selection of greeting cards, whether it's for birthday, graduation, anniversary, you name it. They have a great selection of cards. Now we're moving into the Dollar Plus section, but these door hangers are so pretty, and they still have some Easter ones out, but the 2 summer ones I just think are really pretty. Again, there's the nautical theme. But for the crafter in you, if you're a painter, they do have pouring paints. Like I said, this is in the Dollar Plus section, so these are $3, but they also have a ton of products that you could use if you have a Cricut. So you can definitely save a lot of money by buying those Cricut products. And I love these little push pins. They're velvet push pins. So if you have like a little, board or whatever, these will be really cute for you to use there. For your traveling needs, these are perfect size for if you're going to the beach, if you're going, wherever it is you're going. These are great sizes for you to take with you to make sure you have your laundry taken care of. I love these little containers. I love anything organizing, but I think these are pretty new. I've never seen these small plastic containers before, and I love the colors. I just think these solar powered lanterns are just so pretty, and they have the 3 colors, the kind of Tiffany blue, they have a navy blue and a black as well, and then they have the kind of patio lights, so I thought those are pretty. Now let me tell you about these. I love Mrs. Meyer's, and I've never seen them in the Dollar Tree, but you don't want to get them here. You can get them cheaper at Walmart. These are the two same exact scents, and they are much cheaper. So save your money there. Now, these I think are so cute and very bright and very summery. So I think these would be great for parties. And then if you like to make wreaths, then this little mermaid form is so cute. Okay, I just had to show you this because I saw it in someone else's video. In the craft section, you can get 5 sponge brushes for $1.25. But if you go to the automotive section, you can get the same sponge brushes, but you get 8 instead of 5. So you get 3 extra for the same exact price. I do like their hand soap selection, and the bottles that they come in are actually pretty bottles as well. They smell really good. So if you're in need of hand soap, don't spend, $4, $5, $6 at the store. Get them from the Dollar Tree, and you're paying $1.25, and they also look nice as well. Tree, and these are the things that I got. So I am going to show you up close what they are. So this is like a candy jar. You've been in candy stores and they have these little jars that sit on their side. You can put candy in it, and then you have the lid. I actually saw these in Target in the dollar spot, same size, and they were like $3. Then they had, or maybe $5. Then they had a small set of 2, I think it was 2, for like $3. So definitely go to the Dollar Tree for these type things. The next thing is, I'll just show you this. This is a little jar with the latch, and I'm gonna use this by my bathtub. I'm gonna make some body salt with some essential oils, and so that's what I'm gonna use this for. But for $1.25, awesome deal. All right, the next thing is this little pitcher. Now you're probably thinking, what are you gonna use a little pitcher for? I love squeezing lemons in bulk. Then you can put the juice in here, and it has the little cap on it, and you can pour your lemon juice, your fresh lemon juice, into your water or your tea or whatever. So now obviously you can do this with orange juice. You can use this for whatever you want, but that is what I'm using it for. I had one before and I don't know what happened to it. So all right, so the next thing are these 2 little, so this, I showed you the videos, the video clips of the nautical section. So these came from the nautical section, and I just thought these were so nice. These were, I wanna say they were $1.25. Yeah, so these are $1.25, and they are a jute ball. And these are just great for decor. Now, if you have never tried their movie theater butter flavored popcorn, then you are missing out. The next time you have movie night at your house, go to Dollar Tree, get you a bag of this, and you're gonna feel like you are sitting in the movie theater. This popcorn is so delicious, I'm telling you. For $1.25, man, how expensive is popcorn at the movie theater? It's really expensive, but this is just as good, I'm telling you. All right, now my son let me show you this real quick. I'm actually gonna use these in my coffee bar just to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit instead of using stirrers. I'm gonna use these little spoons because I think these are really cute. But they're plastic and they come from the party section, and $1.25. So I thought those were cute. All right, now my son graduates on Friday from LSU, yay. And they did have a lot of graduation stuff. So I'm gonna show you what I got. This is the letter banner, and it says Class of 2023. Then they have this plastic banner, and it says Happy Graduation Day. You did it, 2023. Yes, he did, thank the Lord. And this is a wall mural. You can probably put it on a door if you want to. Happy Graduation Day, you did it. Then I thought these were cute. This little guy, little congrats gnome, graduate, very cute. And then this cup, what does it say? The tassel is worth the hassle. I don't know, but that's an expensive tassel. Anyway, this is for a photo booth. So you can have photo props, and these are the things in it. So I thought that was cute for $1.25. And then, so that's all of the graduation stuff. Then I have some aprons that I don't have any place to put them. So I got these command hook-esque removable hooks, and I'm gonna use these in my pantry on the back of my door for my aprons. Then we have these shelves. These are super popular. Everybody knows about their shelves, but I need these for my office. If you have not seen my organize, declutter my office video, I will put it in the description box, as well as putting it up in the corner here. But I have some things in a cabinet that I needed these for. So I needed some of those. Then these, I got 2 of these. These are collapsible crates. So these would be perfect for a playroom, or I mean, you could use them in an office, you could use them anywhere, but these would be also great for kids that are going away to college. So if you have any kids going away to college and you are limited on space of taking things up there, use these collapsible crates. When you get there, this can store their, toiletries, their makeup, their school supplies, whatever. But I got 2 of those. And then the final thing are these adorable 4th of July gnomes. These are so cute, and these were $1.25 each. And they had these 2 styles. Then I got these foam scatter for tier tray decor, as well as these 2 ornaments. They have the jute twine, then the beads, and the little metal star, and you get 2 of them for $1.25. So now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use, also I will be doing a tier tray, summer tier tray video coming up. So make sure if you're not subscribed that you do subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss my videos, because it's gonna be summer tier tray, lots of tier tray decor ideas. So anyway, let me show you, oh yeah, these glasses. I always buy these glasses because they're cute and they're cheap, and when they break, I can just go get another pair. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use some of these things, like the little shelves, how I'm gonna use those, and yeah, so let me show you. All right, this is the back door of my pantry, and I have already wiped all of this section down with alcohol, and these are the clips. And on the back, you just take this strip off, put that there, and then you just stick it into place, hold it for about 30 seconds. It's on the crooked, but that's okay. Nobody's gonna see it. And this holds up to 2 pounds. Each hook holds up to 2 pounds. And then whenever you get ready to take it off, you just pull this and it comes off. I wanted to show you the smaller kind of little containers they have at Dollar Tree. This one is one that I already had, so I didn't buy another one. The lid was actually silver, and I just spray painted it rose gold because I wanted it, or copper, because I wanted it that color, because it goes good with fall. And I just keep it in my coffee bar with some little caramel bits if I want to add that to my coffee, and a little scoop. But that's another cute idea. And this is actually glass, so it's not even plastic. So for $1.25 you can get a glass jar, like that bigger plastic jar. Before I close down this video, I just want to show you how I'm going to use a few of the things that I got from my trip, how I use it in my home. So these are just some ways that you can use these things. But anyway, thank you so much for coming shopping with me and letting me show you what all you can get from Dollar Tree. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would become a part of my YouTube family. Click that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. I do shopping hauls, recipe ideas, home decor, as well as home organization. So make sure to click that subscribe button. Also, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. But if you are looking for more home organization, home decor videos, then click the box that you see on the screen right now, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.